Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect a Porkbun domain to Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And first, or before showing you how to point or how to connect your Porkbun domain to Hostinger, first you need to add your new website using your Porkbun domain. Click on Add Website. Here you can create your new website using Hostinger Horizons Web App Builder, WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder, or simply create an empty website. For this tutorial, I will simply go with create an empty website. Here, fill in your Porkbun domain. In my case, it's automation.fun. Wait a moment. You will see this message. Do you own this domain? Yes. Click on use it. Then click on next. Wait a moment. Now that your Porkbun domain is added, you can access it from this list or from this website's page. This is it. Click on dashboard. As you see, your domain isn't connected to your website yet. To make sure your website is accessible, connect your domain first. Click on check guide. Here you will see steps to connect your Porkbun domain to a Hostinger. First, log into your domain name provider account, which is your Porkbun account. Then go to the domains management page. I will show you where you can find it. Delete the existing name servers and add the following one. So click on the first or copy the first name server like that. Then go to your Porkbun domain or log in to your Porkbun account. And from the domain management page, you can see the available domains name on your Porkbun account. As you see, this is my domain. Click on, just hover over it, and you will see this NS word, which stands for name server. Click on it. This window will pop up. Delete the existing name servers and paste the one you get from Hostinger. I will return back to Hostinger to copy the second one and paste it like that. To return to the next line, simply keep clicking on Shift, then and Enter. Click on. Even with that, it was my second name server was copied on the same line. Copy or paste your name servers like that and hit submit. You appear to be removing our default name servers. If you have any services configured for the domain, they will most likely break. I understand this. Click on OK. And just like that, your name servers or your Porkbun domain was connected to Hostinger. To make sure that everything is well set, click on NS again. And you will see the Hostinger name servers. As you can see, although we update name servers immediately, this change or the name servers change can take up to 48 hours to propagate due to DNS caching. Now you should return back to Hostinger. Click on or check this box next to I've changed the name server records. Then click on finish. If you changed your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon. This can take up to 24 hours to connect your domain to your site. You can check this box next to get an email notification to your inbox, but from my experience, my domain will be connected without an email reminder. or notification. Click on close, refresh this page. If you still see this red message, don't worry, this is normal. Now you can start trying to access your website. My website shows this message. Here I am not sure if this message was from my previous DNS connection or the new one. To make sure that my website is fully connected, I can simply yes, I can go to the file manager app. So go to website, or not website, go to files, file manager, access files of your domain name. A new page will open up. Here double click this public HTML folder and delete this single file like that. Click on it with the right button of your mouse. Click on delete, delete again. Now let's refresh my page. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. I will try to access it from a private incognito on Chrome to avoid any cache issue. As you see, this message was not coming from this previous file or the file I've just deleted. It was coming from my old name servers. So here, this means that my website name server is not fully propagate online. So here, just don't worry, just be patient. This waiting time or waiting period can be as short as 10 minutes up to 24 hours. And for this test, and when you are trying to test your website accessibility, you can test it on a different device like your smartphone, or from a different internet provider, for example your smartphone data, because sometimes start work on other devices and not yet on your computer. So if it was the case, don't worry. After a little bit of time, for example an hour, it will be the same thing across all devices. And this is how to connect your Porkbun domain to Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.